All right, I wanted to give you a little overview of how this simulation works. It's actually a really nice simulation because it shows how the eye works and uses refraction. Um, so this is a very simplified picture of the eye. If you scroll up here, you can put the eye anatomy on there for you folks that really like biology. But it's really very interesting. Um, I'm going to take the eye anatomy off just so we can see the rays of light coming through the lens. And so in this picture, we see a healthy eye where the lens is taking the light from a faraway object and focusing it on the retina so that the brain can interpret what that object looks like. So what happens in a normal eye um, when we want to focus on something nearsighted, on something closer to us, excuse me. So if I bring that object close, you see how the eye is not focusing that light on the retina. And how does the light actually get focused? Well, the light rays are coming off of this object and going through the lens in the eye, and the lens is refracting or bending that light like we saw in the prism simulation to try to focus it on the back. And you can see this is not focused on the retina. But what the eye can do is squeeze or relax that lens and change the shape of that lens using your eye muscles to focus that light on the back of the retina. So this is one of the wonderful um, features we have in our body that allows us to change the shape of our lens. Otherwise, we'd have to have many different types of glasses whenever we wanted to look at something near or far away. Um, so what happens like if you were like me and you're nearsighted, right? So nearsighted means I can't see things that are far away. So I'm going to click and show you that I'm nearsighted. And so something is far away, and I'm asking my eye to focus, to say, hey, I want to see that thing that's far away. Please make the right shape. And as you can see, the light's coming off the object, and this lens is refracting it, but it's not refracting it good enough. Um, it's kind of missing the point, uh, no pun intended, and it's focusing it a little bit in front of the retina. And so my eye is not focusing right, and this happens either from when you were born, or as you get older and older, your muscles get weaker, or maybe something about the lens changes. I don't know, I'm not a biologist. So this inability to focus on the retina is why when I try to look at something far away, it's blurry. So I need glasses that I'm going to put in front of my eye to kind of change the direction of the light so that um, when it comes into my lens, it does focus on the back. Um, and so this is just an overview of the simulation. I'm going to ask you to run it and um, and just answer some questions on it. And maybe you can use this for your video project on refraction. This is one example of refraction that you might be able to use. There's others that you can look up. So have a fun time.